Hello gentlemen, this is lesson 3 video 2, solving equations by dividing. So the 3 examples that we're going to do are listed here. So we're going to solve A first. So 7x is equal to 56, and again the whole point of these last couple of videos is just to separate all the different types of operations and opposite operations that you can use to solve equations. Soon we will be solving with multiple steps, so it won't be just one step, it'll be, 2 or more. So in this case, again, the opposite of multiplication is division, so we're going to divide both sides by 7. And as I always say, and will always say forever and ever, what you do to one side, you must do to the other of an equality equation. And an inequality actually works for both. So in this case, you're going to get x is equal, having issues here, is equal to 8. Okay, so 7x divided by 7, and then is equal to 56 divided by 7, so your solution is 8. Okay, so b is 13 is equal to negative 2w. And again, we're trying to solve for the w, so we're going to divide both sides by negative 2. So that gives us negative 13 over 2 is equal to w. I was hoping to erase that. There we go. There we go. Okay, so negative 13 divided by 2 is equal to w. Go ahead and leave it as a fraction, that's fine. And then c is 0.25y is equal to 5. I'm going to actually change 0.25 into a fraction because I think working with a fraction in this case will actually be easier. So this is actually going to be 1/4 y is equal to 5. So this is an example where 1 kind of turns into multiplication over division, because if you divide by a fraction, you're actually multiplying by its reciprocal. Okay, so if we were to divide both sides by 1/4, keeping to our current process, that would be y is equal to 5 divided by 1/4, which is the same thing as y is equal to 5 times 4, so that's 20. Now, like I said, this doesn't make a whole lot of sense, so you don't really divide by fractions. I mean, you can, it just in this case it doesn't really need to be done. What I could have done instead, I'm actually going to move this slightly over here. What I could have done instead with the 1/4 y is equal to 5 is just multiply both sides by 4. That cancels out the 1/4, and that still gives us the 20. So it's a little bit less in steps. So that's just a case of where dividing by a fraction doesn't seem to really work out for what we're trying to do. All right? So here are your U tries. So we have 16 is equal to 4c, 0.5y is equal to negative 10, and 15k is equal to 75. That's what you have to work with. And again, left side is notes, right side is U tries. And again, hopefully you were able to fit all 4 videos onto one left and right setup, or at least 2 on each. And that is it. Good luck.